Hi, we are going to do just a little math lesson and we're going to add three numbers together. So just a couple of different things to remember when adding your three numbers. I have a little example here. Sometimes it's easier for me to see if I can maybe put something in a group of 10. So I know 6 plus 4 is 10, but I'm not done yet. I still need to add 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So it's easy for me to find maybe something that is easier for me to add, which I always can find groups of 10 and add on. Another one, do you see another 5 plus 2 plus 5? So I see a 5 plus 5, I know that's a 10, and then 10 plus 2 more is 12. Okay, sometimes doubles are easy too. So you can do, let's say, I know that 3 plus 3 is easy for me. It's a 6. And then 6 plus 5, I know there's a 5 in here, so a 5 plus 5 is 10 and one more. So that would be 11. Okay? All right. Also what you can do is you can play, if you have dice, you can use dice. And I happen to have 3 dice. So let me show you. I'm going to roll my dice. And then I have a 6 plus 6 plus 4. And I know that 6 and 4 is 10. And I can do 10 plus 6 more is 16. Okay? So then you can write it down on a piece of paper. You can write it vertical. 6 plus 6 plus 4. You see? And I know that this is 10. And then 10 plus 6 more is 16. I can roll again. Okay? And I have 5 plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus 5 plus 2. I see another group of 10. So I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm going to write it on the side here. And then 10 plus 2 more. And that's going to be 12. Wow. I have another. For some reason I'm getting the same ones here. So 6 plus 6 plus 4, we just did that. Okay. And then I have a 5 plus 6 plus 1. I don't need to do that twice. Okay. I know that this is 6, and then 5 plus 1 is 6. So I put 6 on the side just to help me think. And then 6 plus 6 is 12. If you have dice, you always can count, here. Usually remember, take the biggest number and count on. And that's a good way. If you don't have dice, you always can take pieces of paper. And then I have numbers written 1 through 10 on it. And I pull 1 plus another. And then plus another. So then I have 10 plus 5 plus 3. I can write that down. 10 plus 5 plus 3. And remember to make sure that you have your ones lined up and do that first. So 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 0. So it's going to be 8. And then go to your tens, and 1 plus nothing here is 1. So that is 18. Or you can do 10 plus 5, which is 15. And then count up 3 more. 15, 16, 17, 18. So there's many different ways that you can do this. Just showing you different strategies. You can also make a game out of this if you want. So if I'm playing with Grant, which he's not here right now, and I pull 3 numbers, and my number is 18, and then let's say Grant pulls 3 numbers, and he has to add them up also. And so Grant's numbers are 4 plus 1 plus 2. So he can go 4, 5, 6, 7. So he has 7, and I have 18. And you can play a game of whoever has the greatest number, the biggest number, wins and gets a point. So I would win and I'd get a point, and we'd put our cards back in the middle and play again. So that's just something if you want to play a fun game of adding to 3, if you want to play with somebody, or you can play by yourself. So that is adding 3 numbers, and that is going to be on Google Classroom all week. Bye-bye.